chair forward, because we're working on a shoulder, I just need a bit more space. That's it, have a seat. Lovely, so what's your first name?
Christine.
Christine, and what's wrong with your shoulder?
In the earthquakes, I was falling, and I was falling against a concrete wall.
Ooh.
I put my hands out, and this one got pushed right back.
Right, okay. And so just show us what movement you have got in there.
No. So it's already
It's in there. Okay, right. Surgeon said easy. I like it when he says easy. All right, now, we've got the trauma of the earthquake. We've got the initial thing. We've got you injured and then more earthquake. So you've got layers of things in there.
Yeah.
Do you know, I didn't dare come to Christchurch for about a year after the earthquake because I didn't think I'd cope with because the number of people that passed and being a medium, I just had to stay away, which might sound a bit selfish, but I knew I just wouldn't cope with it. And the emotional upheaval that everybody, you know, as a species you'd have felt here. Now as I work on you, I'm seeing an area of hollow. It goes up like that and down like that. I can see that within there energetically. This is like taking a sledgehammer to break up any that's stuck. Now what's happening for you? Have you got warmth in that shoulder?
I've got it in my hands.
Yeah. That's energy moving through. All right, there's still, I can see here, it's not right yet. I fully expect you're going to have more movement very quickly, so I'm just going to, finish this first. There we go. So what I see images in my mind's eye. Sometimes I see images like, you know, if we were to get a book out of the library about the body with the bones and the muscles, it looks like that. Other times it's just energy. They're like energy matrices. Right, that little movement means give it a go. So see how we are. Yeah.
It's a lot better.
Right, I want you to do both arms up at the front. I surprised you, didn't it?
Yeah.
Right, now both arms up at the sides. That's feeling pretty good, isn't it? Now sit down again because I've not finished yet. Alright. So sometimes there's like rough work to do, sometimes it's more almost like sanding, but not sanding, just in terms of bigger molecule stuff, medium-sized molecule, and then the finer polished stuff. There's still, it's not right. Give that a go now. Feel the difference? Just
Yeah.
It was just a little,
Yeah.
but it was just like a fine tuning.
I can do it though.
Yeah, no, sit down because we need to sort that. If she wants to do that movement, we just got to do something a little bit different there. What take on? What take on? Right now he says you can give that a go, and if you've got that, if that feels good this time, then you'll strengthen it in that position for you. Yeah.
Feels lighter.
Yes. You look lighter. You look more light.
Yeah. That's good.
Do it a couple of times because we just want to make sure everything definitely is in the right place. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah. Then sit down and you'll just do a strengthening like that now. All right. So we are made of energy. These bodies are made of energy. We've got this finite form, this shell, this outfit that we wear, this outer garment, but it's not who we are. We are invisible. As a kid, I always wanted to be invisible, and now I've found out I am. And you are invisible too. I can't see the real you. I can see your face, your body, but that's not the real you. You can't see the real me. And the beings that work with me, they're invisible too. Right, he says you're done. Give it another go just to make sure. It's like new, isn't it?
It is. It's very light.